Hi, this is Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, I am making turkey, date, and fig bread. I am super excited to make this recipe because when I went to Turkey, my most recent trip there last year, I helped pick figs off their trees. So, super easy, super delicious. The recipe will be in the description below. Please do us a huge favor. If you've enjoyed watching all my recipes, click that like button, hit that notification bell, and please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. Let's cook, and better yet, let's eat. So mix the dates, figs, and butter well in the 1 cup of boiling hot water and let it stand for 15 minutes. So the reason why we let the fruit sit in this boiled water for 15 minutes is to allow the fruit to become juicier, plumper, and softer.